Quick and Easy Meals. Take out the stress to learn and make easy, delicious, healthy meals within minutes. Quick and Easy Meals. How do you like your meals? Quick and easy.
Welcome to the Quick and Easy Meals channel. I'm Doug, and we hope to share quick and easy meals that are healthy and inexpensive that will help make life easier for you. Today, I am going to make my favorite breakfast. Sausage gravy over Gouda cheese and scrambled eggs. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Let's go over the ingredients.
How do you like your meals? Doug, show me how to make my meal quick and easy. How do you like your meals? I'm running out of time, my stomach's grinding. How do you like your meals? Eat right now, but I don't have no time, so quick and easy. How do you like your meals? Quick and easy.
Okay, let's get started. First, we will start to cook a pound of sausage. We'll scramble this up and perhaps I got the pan a little too hot. Once your hamburger's pretty much cooked, if you have a lot of juice, you want to drain it. I don't have a lot of juice, grease or whatever, so we'll just let that go. We'll add in a cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 cup. We'll get that all mixed up in there. Once the whipping cream gets warmed up, then we want to add in the cream cheese. And you want to slice the cream cheese so that it melts faster. You don't want to just put 4 ounces straight in. You want to kind of slice it up and maybe 1 ounces or so. Put it in like that. Let that get warm and start to get that stirred up and mixed in there. Now see how easy it was to make that gravy? It's pretty much done. It's thick, it's liquid enough that I don't need to use the almond milk, and it's spicy enough for me that I don't need really pepper. So if you want to use pepper, you could still add the pepper. I probably wouldn't even add salt because the pork has a lot of salt in it. So salt and pepper if you like, not for me. Next, we're going to keep this warm so it doesn't thicken up, and then we're going to put get the eggs started. And we know eggs don't take very long, so you're almost ready to eat. Now, a quick lesson. For eggs, you can cook it in butter because you're going to cook it on low heat, and you're going to cook it slow if you want it to be soft, fluffy eggs. In this case, you don't really have to have soft, fluffy eggs because you got a lot of gravy. So you might want to cook them a little bit harder. But if you want to have soft, fluffy eggs, the secret to it is cooking it on really slow heat and consistently every 30 seconds stirring with the whisk and keeping it stirred, and that's how you make fluffy. But we're gonna go medium hard eggs today. Okay, so we scrambled up about 3 eggs here in the measuring cup. We're gonna pour those in. Again, if you wanna add pepper here, you can. I am in the habit of adding pepper to my eggs, even though I might not need them. Eggs are just about done. We turn the heat off. and we'll get a lid. We'll get a lid and put our cheese on. Now here's the secret to the cheese. I'm going to use 2 slices, and I am going to put it right over top and put the lid on so that it can melt, and within about 2 minutes it should be soft enough and we'll be ready to go. Now you see the eggs, the cheese has melted over the eggs, so that's what you want. And now all you have to do is combine the gravy and you will have sausage gravy over Gouda cheese scrambled eggs. And this only took like 10-15 minutes. Now the gravy. One of the best keto breakfasts ever. However much gravy you want to put on there. And there you go. Voila! Breakfast in 15 minutes. Fill you up for most of the day. Thank you for watching the Quick and Easy Meals channel.